Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about a concept that is often overlooked in a push for efficiency. Why 100% automation can actually be a trap, and why the critical role of human in the loop workflows is something we simply cannot afford to skip. In an age where automation is widely celebrated as the ultimate solution for increased efficiency and cost savings, it is absolutely crucial that we pause and remember one fundamental truth. The indispensable human element cannot and should not be overlooked. A human in the loop or HITL approach is not about resisting progress. Instead, it fosters a powerful and necessary collaboration between cutting edge technology and invaluable human insight. This synergy is what truly enhances accuracy, drives innovation, and unlocks unprecedented creativity in problem solving across every industry. Despite the truly significant advancements we have witnessed in artificial intelligence and machine learning, there remains an undeniable need for human judgment. This is especially true when it comes to validating outcomes, navigating ambiguous data, and making ethical decisions, particularly in highly complex or high stakes scenarios. Pure automation, by its very nature, can sometimes miss nuance or perpetuate biases if not carefully managed. Integrating HITL into our systems does not just mitigate the risk of costly errors, it actively facilitates continuous learning for our AI systems. Through consistent human feedback loops, these systems become smarter, more accurate, and more robust over time. This creates a virtuous cycle of improvement. So let us embrace a more balanced and realistic perspective on automation. We should become passionate advocates for environments where humans and machines do not just coexist but actively work hand in hand. This powerful synergy is precisely what can drive true innovation, dramatically improve customer experiences, and allow for the kind of nuanced, complex decision making that pure unassisted automation simply cannot achieve on its own. Think about it. Have you truly adopted a human in the loop approach in your own workflows? Consider the profound impact it could have. Let us champion a future where technology empowers humans and humans guide technology, ensuring we always build smarter, more ethical, and more effective solutions together.